probably can hear that because it's freaking loud. Noise on the front right. The faster I go, the faster the sound of the noise. And I know already that it's the hub. It's kind of a little scary driving this. But I need to bring it to the garage and inspect more and find out what else needs to be fixed to change. See, slowing down. It's kind of sketchy because of the brake is pulsing. And it feels like my tire is gonna fall off or something. It feels like that. This is the sketchy cars I ever drove, and hope it will hold together and it's not gonna fall apart and the tire will be like freaking off the vehicle. Saturn 97. And this is a S model, S1, SC1 or something. Holy shit, grinding. Alright guys, oh my god. Alright, so about 10 minutes of driving, it is getting worse and worse. Jesus Christ, man, this is nasty. I have to like get off the freeway, go on the back road or small road to drive so that I won't get into an accident or, you know, tire won't fall off or anything like that. This is sketchy. Alright guys, my god, 5 minutes of driving again, and it's just getting worse and worse. Scared that hopefully this the tire will hold it up together and won't leave on me. Just keep it tight. Hot bearing. Oh my god, hitting the pump too is kind of sketchy that it might pull off. All the ball bearings probably all just gonna come out of the cage and freaking tire will be gone. So let's hope for the best. Hopefully we'll get this at home. Alright guys, right now it's hard to see. We have to take some more parts and I will inspect the hub. Let's take out the caliper, rotor, and after that the knuckle, bolts up here, outer tie rod, and then the main axle nut. Alright guys, this is what it looked like now. I left the lower ball joint and the outer tie rod all intact together to the knuckle. Don't want to take the whole thing out, so make sure you press this knuckle down while you're trying to pop this CV axle off, and this is what it looks like now without a load on the bearing. Just noisy. I left the knuckle here because I don't want to take them all off. I have a tools that press this bearing, and it's better to do this. I believe it's better to do this, less trouble, less work. So I don't want to take out bolt joints. So all right, let's keep going. All the bolts just really loose. The cage is just busted there. No more cage. Look at that. They just fall apart. We're gonna get a new bearing on that. Alright guys, out. There's all the pieces for the rest of the bearings. That's the outer shell. This is the inner shell and the race and the ball, and this is the new one. You're gonna press this thing back, coming from the back end, press it out. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Alright guys, new bearing in, press it on. This is what I use. Now let's put this the hub itself, press it inside. It goes like that. All right, let's get to it.